Rustic-style decoration has gained great popularity recently, especially for country houses. If you expect to find the perfect elements for each space, this house can inspire you. Welcome to my channel, my name is Josie. Today, we will be at Steph's house with romantic, vintage and country touches that will delight everyone. In all spaces, there is a predominance of neutral colors. In addition to bringing us closer to the countryside, natural materials such as wood provide the necessary warmth and a feeling of comfort. In the living room, the important pieces are the sofas and the fireplace, giving the space elegance and strength. In the dining room, you can create a stately appearance by incorporating typical elements, antique, neutral colors, and a large table. In the kitchen, this is an inexpensive style, easy to adapt and renew, which also lends itself to the restoration and recycling of furniture and objects, which allow us to give a personal touch to the decoration. In the master bedroom, you can find the serenity typical of relaxing environments. The country style is very versatile and dependent on taste. It can vary from more rustic and ornate trends to styles more inclined toward old. If you like to order with baskets, you can comment. How many baskets are in the video? Are you up to this style? Write us in the comments.